Hi everyone, on speaking about the content of this video. We are going to compare fixed deposits of a few banks which we come across with most of the people. This increase in the price of our commodities and the services which we offer is called inflation. Inflation is the exact thing which is eating our money.
We can just do a voice search instead of typing. I'm not calling the assistant because assistant in my mobile gets activated. Here we got few data from statista.com. There are a lot of websites on which this data is available, and you can also read some news, latest news from this tab. So this is good way of doing some research on our economy. There is article by Indian Express, Business Standard, and there are a lot of news agencies. Our financial agencies have reported inflation rate for 2021 as 5.56. And for 2020 it was 6.18, which is very high, and they have also made a future forecast, and these are the rates for upcoming years. So this is all the basic information about inflation from where we can get the data. Now let us compare fixed deposits of few banks. I have made a Google sheet which is similar to Excel sheet. I have shortlisted few banks in which most of the people will be having bank account. Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra, Paytm, SBI, and Union Bank. And these are the FD, fixed deposit and recurring deposit interest rates for 1 year. I have pulled out this data from the bank websites. I have these websites and then I have recorded all those here. Interest rates may not be same when we check in reality with your banking apps. I took the greatest value possible for 1 year for recurring and fixed deposits. What actually bank tell us when we invest our money in fixed deposit or recurring deposits as we get interest of 4.9% per annum if we invest for 1 year. But in reality, it is not the case. This interest rate is being depreciated by inflation rate. So I have also recorded the inflation rate. Let us take it as 4, just 4. Actually, in reality, they have predicted a bit high, and it is a lot more high in our daily life. If we take case of Bank of Baroda, if we invest in fixed or recurring deposits, banks say that our money will be increasing at the rate of 4.9% per annum. Exact value with which our money will actually be increasing is this. This is the exact profit percent which a common man can get from fixed or recurring deposits in reality. This is nothing but interest rate offered by bank minus inflation percentage. If we do this, we get these as percentage. To explain you this in numbers, here I have taken the case of fixed deposit with SBI. I am not explaining the case of recurring deposit because with recurring deposit, we get less amount than the fixed deposit. If we invest 12,000 in a fixed deposit with SBI claims that our matured amount will be 12,611. This is not like calculating simple interest. Calculating this mature amount is a bit different. For that, we can again Google it. FD calculator SBI. We have very first link as SBI calculator by sbi.com. This is the FD page, and here we can calculate our fixed deposit matured amount. We are investing 12,000. And for 1 year, let the interest rate be 5% as per data available on this website. So our matured value will be, our 12,000 will become 12,611 rupees. 611 rupees is the interest value which we will be getting. If you wanted to know the formula, exact formula with which our FD is calculated, you can just go back to this search page. If you scroll down a bit, you will see FD calculator, SBI FD calculator by grow.in. Just open it in a new tab. This is the same calculator like the one available on SBI page. You can just calculate the fixed deposit. If we scroll down a bit, here we can see it as how does an FD calculator work. And here it is given, and here they have given a formula for FD calculation. You can just have a look on your browser later. With the calculator, I got our matured amount as 12,611 rupees. With the same calculator, I have calculated the inflation effect on our deposit amount. I just calculated it with the same formula which we use for fixed deposit on the Grow website. But in reality, there will be a difference. There will be a lot of things which will be included in inflation calculation. To understand this in a better way, let me assume that I have 12,000 in my hand right now And today I can buy 10 liters of petrol, 2 pairs of shoe. I'm just zooming it a bit. So with 12,000 today, I can buy 10 liters of petrol, 2 pairs of shoe, and 5 t-shirts. 1 year later, if I wanted to buy the same things, 10 liters of petrol, 2 pairs of shoe, 5 t-shirts, the exact amount which I need to spend will be this much. This is what inflation effect is. This is due to increase in the prices of petrol, shoe, and t-shirts. Actually, I calculated a bit low. It might be a lot more high. You can see the current situation. What is the rate of petrol? Now the exact amount a common man can actually be enjoying on investing in these fixed deposits or recurring deposits will be our matured amount minus inflation effect on the amount we invested. So this is the extra amount which we get by investing our money against inflation. 124 rupees is the extra amount which I get on investing in fixed or recurring deposits with a bank after calculating inflation effect. This is the reality. With this, I wanted to tell you that investing in fixed deposits or recurring deposits is not the way with which we need to save our money. So we need to be a bit smarter while playing with our money. As per my principles, money is nothing. Yes, money is nothing. But the time which we invest to earn some money is much valuable. So if we are wasting our money, we are killing our time, our productive time which we use to earn that money. There are many ways which we can increase the value of our money, value of our rupee, like investing in stock market, mutual funds, gold bonds, IPO, cryptocurrency, and there are two best investments which one can make